Our today's topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will click on this plus icon and small pop-up will come and we have to click on upload a file. When we will click on it, we will go directly into our system and we have to choose our pic that we want to edit or use as a reference image. All we have to just click or hit enter. When you will click and your pic will be uploaded here. So next step is that just click and then right click on it, copy image address and copy link. Both are same. If you don't have copy link option, then you have to click on copy image address. So when you click on it, your link will be copied. And now come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. Now we have to just paste our link here of this picture that we want to edit or use as a reference image. With the help of Ctrl V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now I will write my prompt here. So here is our prompt. You can see and read: concept art, digital drawing, dark fantasy, white short, sitting at a wooden table, watching an extremely dynamic gravity, defying transformation of herbs and minerals into powerful levitation, elixirs and potions, swirling fluid, rays of colorful vivid energy and flawless motion, blue and purple background, mythic glowing, natural lighting. So now all we have to just click or hit enter and we will see that what MidJourney will give us. So MidJourney has given us these four pictures: 1, 2, 3, 4. U1 to U4, V1 to V4. U1 mean if you want to upscale any picture, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. U1 mean picture 1, U2 mean picture 2, same as 3, 4. If you want four variations of the same pic, so you have to click on V1 to V4 according to the picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and V1 to V2, V3, V and V4. If you want reroll, you can reroll it. Reroll means you will get four more new pictures. So let me open it in a new tab. So now picture 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to upscale any of these picture, you have to click on U1, U2, U3 and U4. And if you want four more variations of any of these pictures, then you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. Now let's go back. In this case, we will click on V2. Mean we want four more variations of this picture. So when we will click on it, MidJourney will give us this result. Now let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality. Here is more four variations of the same pic: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, if you want four more variations, you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. And if you want to upscale any of these picture, you have to click on U1, U2, U3 and U4. So let's go back. We will click on U1 and MidJourney will give us this final result. And if you want more variations, you have to click on make variations. So MidJourney will provide you more variations. But in our case, this is the final result. So if you have any type of queries, then you can comment and I will try my best to reply.